Baby girl. Me tell him say, you're a good woman. And if he take care of you, he say anyhow, him not take care of you, take me number from Tony.
Yes.
Give me a call.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Shalal? Now come help you back. Tony, Mr. Shepherd?
Leave early.
Hello? The front door still a working up.
Come, Shalal. Come on.
Leave it.
Tony? Later. Mr. Shepherd.
Take care of yourself, yeah? And safe delivery. Hey boy.
Yeah, boss.
Do the right thing. Remember, because my eyes for you.
Yeah, my boss. Feel at the door. One bit.
For your time now. Sit down. Really girl. You realize say all of the things that me tell you about your mama and your brother. So the two will come to go.
Yes, Shepherd.
And you also remember say, me did tell you say, now get up in your feelings, now get emotional. You remember me tell you that?
Yes, Shepherd. But me never expect it.
You can loosen up yourself. For me not come here to chastise you. For you did well under the circumstances.
Circumferences?
How? Me say sitting bad?
No, Shepherd. Circumstances.
Say good. You see, little girl? You see, all of what you got through is because you are a strong little girl. And what you got through is just a billion. Let me tell you something. Yes, when purpose there for your life, you have to understand, say, you going to become a target. If you is a mango tree, if you're not a mango pie, nobody not going to own you. Yeah? No. You are going to have to make a decision. And I want you to understand that this decision is one where you have to make. And you will make the right decision. When you make that decision, understand, say, it will be a part of your growth. It will not be an easy decision, but it will be the right decision. And when you get to that decision, you will know.
I understand, Shepherd. And I won't hesitate to make the right decision.
Now, Tonian, you're doing a good job. You, my son-in-law and Bubbles, found out good people now. You see, that is why I make it my point of duty to watch over you. Because you are good people. And good things must last. And with that said, it is now time for you to look over me and look after me. Where the beetle there?
Pickle? Oh, the food. I go feed Shepherd. I'll put extra in there.
You put extra. And you know, say me not got nothing extra to tell you. Me sorry. For me now see nothing more now. You hungry.
It's okay, Shepherd.
Mm.
I'm glad you're not now, so save the rest for you next time.
Alright, you will see.
Yes, Shepherd.
And the next time we come back, now we'll bring something for you. We find one little land now, and we go and farm it up. Now we'll get something nice.
Okay, Shepherd. Thank you.
Alright, then. Most nice day.
I know our love is strong. We're still riding down this road. Ooh, my love, I can feel you in my bones. This is real. I hear your voice too close. Oh, this feeling grows while I'm filling up this void. Far away, far beyond the limits. Every day, finding our soul. Anyway, it feels like coming